Yo guys, this is Don from Jets.
I'm Alex from Jets.
Okay, finally, we are unboxing a shoe together again.
Yeah, we are back together again.
Alright, you can see today we unboxing another classic shoe. You can see this box is normally Jordan 1.
Jordan 1.
This is Jordan 1 classic
So
box.
it's only Jordan 1 have this
Only
box.
Jordan 1 use this box. Okay, so let's open it up.
Let's start the unboxing.
Yay!
So as you guys know, we are having the 5-minute unboxing right now. So we will make this short, like 5 minutes only. So let's make this happen. Okay, inside the box, paper, box, empty, receipt. Okay.
I bought this shoe at JD Sport. I queued for 12 hours for this.
So you actually queued it.
Yes, 12 hours.
Seriously, you
12
queued
hours
for this shoe?
12 hours.
Why? Can you tell me why?
Pro.
Okay, pro.
Okay. Okay. So you can see this is a very classic Air Jordan 1 design, and only with the color different. You can see today this color is a green pine green color. Very famous nowadays.
Very famous now.
Okay, this is the same design, it came with another colorway, purple. That one is called purple. This one is pine green. Okay, so you can see.
Yeah, I can see green color, Jordan 1. With the big classic swoosh here.
Okay. This quality is the same as previous, the shutter backboard quality is the same. Also same as Black Toe.
Okay.
I give you a short story of this. Okay.
Sure. Because
very
really
short. Because this thing is just it's just a weapon for Nike to earn some money.
Oh,
okay.
Really?
Because this is they released another similar design at 2009, which is Boston Celtics colorway.
Okay.
Only the whole thing is the same. Then only this part is the white color. So this is another comeback. They said it's another comeback from that lah. But it's just a tool for them to earn money.
Okay.
Okay. So
Actually, Nike really have the mindset to
earn money.
A lot of money.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what do you think? This pair?
I quite like the material. I think those material here is like the leather is quite soft for me. It's because comfy for me is come first every time. So yeah, I've tried the shoe just now. I think.
What do you think?
For me, it's like a scale of 6 of 10. I think. 6
Yeah,
of
because
10.
Jordan 1 is not for comfort.
Yeah, it's
Totally
a very
not.
classic shoe, so I can feel the classic comfy, like maybe last time they have.
But this design to match your outfit is like
Yeah, it's like fire.
fire, right? Super fire.
Matching with outfit is totally fire. So
Yeah.
let's get the next step. So
Okay.
talking about the material, of course, as usual, they have this black leather.
Yes.
Black leather, and the green is also leather. It's a little bit soft touch leather, different than the black one. The black one is a bit hard, and the white here, the off-white color, I think it's an off-white color leather. Also, it's a soft touch leather, and the black swoosh here, classic leather. So for the tongue, I think it's all the same with others.
Everything is the
Jordan
same.
1. Yeah.
Because this starting from 2016 until now, all their material is like considered is better than previous material.
Yeah, so the back is still the same, and of course the Air Jordan logo here is always the same.
So about the pricing of this price,
Yeah.
I bought this for 593.
593.
That's the retail price. Because the last time the retail price before GST is how much? 629.
Okay.
Now remove already is 593.
Okay.
Yeah.
How about the resale price right now? I heard it's like fire.
Super fire.
The resale price.
1,003 to 1,005.
1,003 to 1,005.
That's why I queued for 12 hours lah.
Okay. Oh, you want to resell it?
You think easy ah?
You want to wear it or you want to resell it?
If you have my size, I wear.
Oh, this
Don't
is
have
not
my
your
size. How?
Okay. So you will resell
Your
it.
size.
This is my size.
I resell you.
No. If it's US 11, I will take it, but this one is 10.5. I can't.
Just now you say you can wear.
I can wear, but the comfy is not for me.
Okay,
it's
okay.
quite a bit tight here. So, yeah, for this shoe, sizing,
the
true to
sizing-
size, I think.
True to size or half size up is no problem.
I think half size up is better if you want to feel comfy.
But some people still say one size up also can.
Yeah, maybe.
But for me, I don't care. I wear everything true to size.
Yeah, so this is all of our video. So if you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. If you don't like our video, please share to your friend. And remember to subscribe to our channel and click the notification button. We see you guys next time. Peace.
Tell me what you know about the motherfucker out the bottom with a gold grill gleaming, make audio prime. Stop creeping out the fucking dungeon, switchblade